And hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to download virtual machine for your PC and how to use it. So first go to this link which I will leave down in the description, and here you have some things. Here you will find the link to VirtualBox binaries and its source code. So here, by downloading, you agree to terms and conditions. You see here, if you're looking for the latest VirtualBox 6.1 packages, see this, but this is for old builds, but you will be going with VirtualBox 7.0.8, but it depends. Maybe when you're watching this it's newer version, but yeah, just check this. And first you need to see which operating system you have. This is Mac OS. This is for again Mac OS and Linux, Solaris and everything, but you're going for Windows hosts. And save this. We're gonna just wait for it to download, and yeah, I will resume it as soon as it downloads. And now it's downloaded. All you have to do is just double click and just allow this app to make changes. So click next. So here's location. You can change this, but I don't suggest you doing that. So just click next. Network interfaces, yes. Okay, just click on yes, everything, and install. This will take some time. I will skip until that happened, and yeah. Now you're just going to start virtual machine and click finish. So here you have tools, so preferences. This is just some general stuff. So default machine folder, it will be here, so make sure to check if you have enough capacity. Input, this is just some things which with some like shortcuts you can do some things here, but I don't recommend you doing that. Check for updates. You can set this to anything you want. I mean, you can do a daily or all new releases or stable release versions, but check this and set, for example, for a month. Language, you can do default, but there's some languages if you would like to change. But display, you can maximum guest screen size, automatic, just don't do that. Proxy, auto detect, of course. Color theme, you can be light or dark, but I just follow system settings, and yeah, I will click OK. And yeah guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you wanna see how to download Windows 10 on your virtual machine, I'm gonna make a video for that also. So yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Bye.